Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to use transformations to sketch the graph of the function y equals 2 times the square root of x. So we're using transformations because we know the graph of a function already that will be helpful for this, which is just the graph of the square root of x. We know this because it's one of our standard functions, going through the points 0, 0, 1, 1, and 4, 2 with that general shape. Now we're multiplying this function by 2, so that means we are vertically stretching by a factor of 2. This means that all of the y values of the points are multiplied by 2. So 0, 0 doesn't change, but 1, 1 becomes 1, 2, and 4, 2 becomes 4, 4. And the graph looks like that, right? It looks like it's been stretched vertically by a factor of 2. So this is the graph of y equals the square root of x, and this is the graph of y equals 2 times the square root of x.